Outlook Pro Tip: create search folders to organize your emails. Did you know Outlook has a feature called Search Folders to help you stay on top of categorized, flagged, or attachment-heavy emails? Here's how you can use it. Locate search folders. Scroll under the rest of your folders in Outlook, desktop or web, and you'll find search folders. Create a new search folder. Right-click on search folders and choose Create New Search Folder. Select the type of folder you want, e.g., categorized emails, flagged emails, or emails with attachments. For categorized emails, name the folder and pick the categories to include. Use your new folder. Your new folder will appear under Search Folders. It acts as a filtered view, showing only the emails that meet the criteria, while keeping them in their original location, like your inbox. Add more folders. You can create additional folders for flagged emails or any other criteria, making it easy to collect and access emails based on your preferences. This feature is perfect for anyone who uses categories and flags to prioritize their workflow. Give it a try and streamline your email management. Smiling face with smiling eyes.